Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to check Facebook friend request sent list. Open your Facebook app. First, you need to tap on these three lines in the top right corner. Here you can find this friends option, so tap on it. Now you can see your all Facebook friend requests in here. Now let's see how to view the request you have sent to others. Tap on this see all button in here and then you can find these three dots in the top right corner. Here you can see view send request option in the bottom. So tap on it to see your send request. So here you can find your all send request on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.